Hello and welcome back to your favorite spoken English channel, Vision Spoken English. In today's video, we will deep dive into the world of spoken English. Whether you are aiming to improve your pronunciation, fluency, accent, spoken English, about clarity, confidence, expressions, in this video, we will see three key aspects of spoken English: pronunciation, accent, and fluency. By the end of this session, you will have complete practical strategies and tips to make your spoken English sound more natural. Let's get started. नंबर 1, pronunciation, जिसे बोलते हैं साउंड्स को मास्टर करना. देखिए, focus on individual sounds of English language that has many sounds and that they can be difficult for non-native speakers. Focus on different sounds like th, think, this. th जो th साउंड है, ये थिंक में थ का प्रोनाउंसिएशन करता है और दिस में द का. तो अब दिखने में ये ऑलमोस्ट सेम लगते हैं, लेकिन इनके वर्ड जो प्रोनाउंसिएशन होता है वो डिफरेंट प्लेसेस में अलग अलग होते हैं. दूसरा होता है स्ट्रेस और इंटोनेशन. Pronunciation isn't just about sound, it's about how you stress words and sentences into English. Now, English speakers use intonation in order to convey their emotions and questions easily. For example, record. Now, record, they both have different meaning as per their intonation. Intonation rise at the end of the questions usually. Are you coming? When you're asking anything, you put stress on the last word. If you're emphasizing on particular word, you will have a loud tone upon that word. Next, you need to learn linking sounds. Native speakers often link words in order to make sentences easy to be spoken. It is crucial in order to sound more natural. For example, I'm going to. Don't say it. Say it, I'm gonna. For example, if you want to say, do you want to? No, do you wanna? What are you? Whatcha? Like that, okay? So, I'm giving you some examples for it. See, I'm going to market. I'm going to kill you. I'm gonna kill you. Do you want to have this butter? You wanna have the butter? Or what are you up to? What you up to? Or like something like that. So what is up? What's going on? What's up? Like that. Okay. Next one is accent. Are you choosing a neutral accent, or you adapting to an accent for clarity? Understanding different accents and different regions have different English accents, like British English, American English, Australian English, Indian English. These will help you to choose an accent that you want to adopt, or choose a neutral accent as well. It's all upon you what you select. Now, after selecting all of these, you need to practice accent reduction if desired. If you want to speak in natural accent, you need to reduce the mother tongue and mimic native speakers and use shadowing technique, and that's a great technique to master. Next, record yourself mimicking native speakers from podcast or YouTube videos. Use applications like Elsa Speak or SpeechLink in order to practice these. Now, pronounce consonants crisply, like water, for clear articulation. Next, accent adaptation for professional setting. In professional setting, a clear and neutral accent is essential in order to avoid any misunderstanding. Focus on clarity rather than trying to copy the native speakers. For example, avoid overly think accent when you're giving your presentation. Speak slowly and clearly. If your accent confuses people, they'll ask in order to make you understand the points again. So use simple words, short sentences at the beginning in order to have clarity in your conversation. Next, fluency should be chosen by you in order to become confident in English. Now, think in English. To improve fluency, start thinking in English directly. Instead of translating from your native language to English, this will reduce your hesitation. For example, when seeing a cat, think of a cat instead of translating that from your native language. For daily tasks like making tea, describing steps tell this in your mind itself. Use flashcards or applications like Anki to reinforce the common vocabulary in your conversation. Practice daily consistently, and this is the key in order to be fluent. Speak daily. If it is just a few examples, speak out loud when you're doing any activity alone, I'm cutting vegetables, I'm preparing the dishes, I'm cooking. Like, join any English speaking club or programs in order to practice. Speak with a language partner or any of your friends regularly, even on a small topic that you select. Self-recording and playback can also be helpful for you. Speak and listen back to your own recording in order to find the areas of improvement. This will help you to boost your confidence. Now, record your own thoughts that you have about the book or the movie that you have seen, and pause yourself, observe your mistakes. Now you may compare your recording with native speakers in order to see where you can improve. Use applications like HelloTalk, Tandem in order to get the feedback from native speakers. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, improving your spoken English is a journey. It's not a race. Focus on small improvement and practice consistently. Now, don't be afraid of making mistakes, whether it's pronunciation, accent, fluency. Each aspect will bring you closer to mastering spoken English. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips just like this on Vision Spoken English. See you in the next one.